Hello, today I will introduce Wi-Fi adapter disabled or hidden in Device Manager. Step 1, check for hidden devices in Device Manager. Open the search menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Click the View tab at the top. Select Show Hidden Devices, expand Network Adapters, and check if your Wi-Fi adapter appears. Step 2, enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter in the Network Adapters section. If you see the option Enable Device, click on it. Look for a small downward arrow on the adapter icon. This indicates it's disabled. Step 3, update Wi-Fi drivers. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the latest driver and click Next. Close Device Manager when done. Step 4, reset network configurations using Command Prompt. Open the search menu. Type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. After running the commands, restart your computer. This should help restore your Wi-Fi adapter and get your network connection working again. Hope this tutorial helped.